Today, we're going to explore the fascinating journey of rocks in the rock cycle. We'll see how rocks transform from one type to another through amazing natural processes. Let's get started. What is the rock cycle? The rock cycle is like a big recycling process for rocks. It describes how rocks change from one type to another over time. There are three main types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Igneous rocks. Let's talk about igneous rocks. These rocks form when molten rock, called magma or lava, cools down and solidifies. If it cools inside the earth, it's called magma and forms rocks like granite. If it cools on the surface, it's called lava and forms rocks like basalt. Igneous rocks are like the building blocks of the rock cycle. Next, we have weathering and erosion. Weathering breaks down rocks into smaller pieces called sediments through wind, water, and ice. Erosion then carries these sediments away to new places. Sedimentary rocks. When these sediments settle in a new location, they start to pile up in layers. Over time, the layers get buried and compacted, and minerals in the water help cement them together, forming sedimentary rocks. Think of sedimentary rocks like a layered cake made of sand, mud, and tiny bits of rock. Examples are sandstone and shale. Now let's dive deep underground where we find metamorphic rocks. These rocks start as either igneous or sedimentary rocks, but when they are buried deep beneath the Earth's surface, they're exposed to intense heat and pressure. This changes them into metamorphic rocks without melting them. For example, limestone turns into marble and shale turns into slate. Melting and the cycle continues. Sometimes, these metamorphic rocks get so hot they melt back into magma, and when this magma cools, it forms new igneous rocks, starting the cycle all over again. It's a never-ending story of transformation. So to recap, the rock cycle shows us how rocks change from igneous to sedimentary to metamorphic and back again. It's a continuous process driven by Earth's internal heat and external forces like weathering and erosion. Rocks are constantly on the move, changing and evolving over time. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the rock cycle. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting science content. See you next time.